Just a few users in the beginning, and then rolling out to our corporate transportation planning team was a good place to start. We were really going to look to them as being the champions for other customer service reps, who are typically the ones contacting those planners for the ETAs, so then they could be that source of information for the next group. So that was about 10-15 more people. And then from that, we gradually rolled out to different customer service groups, planning teams, doing a lot of those gradually as well, one by one, learning from what worked, maybe where we could improve, and going from there. So now we have onboarded 236 users. So 236 in 2.16 years is kind of the statement we are making. Yeah, so we kind of say there are 4 buckets. There was building trust in the data, so we thought that was actually kind of the building block. In addition to that, we promoted the tool both internally and externally. Internally through some user projects that have quite a bit of visibility in our organization. Externally through various public speaking events. Third bucket, training and documentation. Land O'Lakes has created a lot of our own training and documentation that we feel is important for our users. We have recorded training sessions we send out in addition to enrolling them in our next kind of WebEx training session if they would like as well. And then lastly, it is really strategies to encourage consistent use. One thing we do like, if possible, is to have one of our internal champions pair up with a buddy who we can maybe see an increase in their minutes or an increase in their daily logins, maybe bump them up from a monthly to a weekly or weekly to a daily user, and really continue to kind of push that and expand some more. Somewhere that we actually use that users in that competition is through the FourKites flyer. So we had actually sent out periodic flyers previously, and then Lauren was kind enough to share that FourKites has this awesome template every month. We were like, wow, that is great. We can bump it up from periodic to monthly, and it'll actually save us some time too. So getting that recognition out there, showing those key features, I think that's a great next step for us, is that monthly flyer. One area that I would like to see us focus is network visibility. I mean, ultimately, we want to get that information in the end user's hands. It'll cut out all of the middleman communication, it'll save us time, and everyone ultimately wants to self-serve themselves. So why not just get it right to them? I know currently we're sharing information with, I believe, 2 to 3 customers, but I would like to see that increase quite a bit. And also on the flip side, to get that information for our loads coming in. So we've been with FourKites for a little over 2 years now, and I think that what's really important is you guys are growing so fast, and there are features coming out almost every day it seems, but you guys really do listen and partner with us. We say, oh, like this might be a really good idea. You guys actually take that feedback and work with us, and we work with you. I think it's that partnership that's what's really important and Land O'Lakes really values.